Do you struggle with stubborn stains and germs on your floor, even after regular cleaning? Say
Goodbye
to those hassles. Today, we're reviewing the Shark S3501 Steam Pocket Mop, a tool designed to make your floors sparkling clean and germ-free. Let's dive in to see why it's a favorite for so many people. Main review, product features. Key features. Powerful steam cleaning, ready in just 30 seconds, it uses powerful steam to remove stains, dirt, and bacteria from your floors. Easy maneuvering, its lightweight build and soft grip handle make it super easy to use. Washable microfiber pads, comes with 2 reusable microfiber pads that lock in dirt and can be washed multiple times. Quick drying, steam ensures your floor dries quickly after cleaning. Eco-friendly, works without harsh chemicals, making it safe for the environment. How to use. 1. Fill the reservoir, add water to the machine's reservoir. 2. Prepare the steam, plug it in, and it will start producing steam in 30 seconds. 3. Start mopping, glide it across the floor for a deep clean. 4. Wash the pads, clean the microfiber pads in the washing machine and reuse them. Amazon reviews, what users are saying. Amazon rating. 4.5 stars, based on 50,000 plus reviews. Customer feedback. Positive. Users praise its efficiency on tiles, laminate, and hardwood floors. Many love its ability to sanitize effectively. Great value for the price. Negative. Some users wish the cord was longer. The water reservoir is a bit small for larger spaces. Pros and cons. Pros. Cleans without chemicals. Dries quickly. Easy to use and reusable pads. Cons. Small water reservoir. Power cord could be longer. Why should you buy it? If you have hard floors and need an easy, effective solution for keeping them spotless, the Shark S3501 Steam Pocket Mop is a fantastic choice. It not only cleans but also saves you time and effort. Do you think the Shark S3501 Steam Pocket Mop is the perfect tool for your home? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned for more amazing product reviews. Thank you for watching.